If you bought a YouTube automation course from a master guru on Instagram and you didn't get the results you expected, you didn't get the views, you didn't get monetized, watch this video. And that's because we discovered a new way to approach YouTube automation. And this is information that you're not going to find anywhere else. So, if you still have access to that failed YouTube channel, this is for you, primarily for you. So let's just get started. My name is Mario. I'm Romero's brother. And this right here is my faceless YouTube channel where I covered news about rappers. Now, since it started, it has gotten million views, over 140,000 subscribers, and this has paid me over $297,000. But here's a secret. This channel should not have survived the demonetization wave in early 2024. Over 90% of faceless channels that were covering gossip news were either demonetized for inauthentic content or terminated for spam, and were channels like mine. And what we did to survive this purge was something the competition could not replicate. Now let me explain. This channel here started completely faceless. Al voice, Al script. It worked. But after years of automating my production, I asked myself, well, why not use my own face? Why not use my own voice? Why not just use Al for the logical part of production, but show my face, use my voice, and build my own personal brand? Now, the first thing you might think when hearing this is too cringy for me. I can't do this. I can't be in front of the camera. And I completely understand that thought process. I was the same way. But look at this. This was my first video where I showed my face and used my voice. It got 44,000 views. It gave me 159 subscribers. And it had a 4-minute average view duration. This was a huge confidence boost for me. Not just that, but the RPM didn't change. I had a $7 RPM for this video. I was still using the same production that I previously was using, except this time I was just being myself. At first, I couldn't believe it. So I decided to double down and I posted another video. And this one got 72,000 views. It got me 203 subscribers and paid me $630. Sync to video. After this, I felt confident. I thought this only worked because it was faceless. I thought this only worked because we were using Al, and it turns out it doesn't matter. So the next time I uploaded, I did something different again. This time I didn't use Al. I didn't show my face, but I only used my voice. And this video ended up getting 416,000 views, got me over 1,000 subscribers, and paid me $3,377. So then I tried it again, and then that worked. And I tried it again and again and again. It clicked to me. This is saving me so much time. I'm no longer spending money on editors. I'm no longer spending money on 11 Labs credits. My production costs went from over $100 per video to basically nothing. But here's the best part. I was no longer worried about getting terminated. The more I showed my face in every video, the more I used my own voice, the less fearful I was about getting terminated. The edits were simplified. I was no longer spending money on AI credits. Everything became so much simpler than it was before. And I was still implementing AI, which brings me to say that the new strategy in 2026 is creating a hybrid method. And what that means is either two things. Number one, you can start a YouTube channel completely faceless. And once that channel gets monetized or starts picking up in views, you start posting videos where you show your face. Or option number two, which is the OG hybrid way. Let's say you post 4 videos a week. You make 2 of those videos faceless and 2 of those videos hybrid where you show your face. And that's the beauty of this. You don't have to show your face in every single YouTube video. And the best part is, you don't even need fancy equipment to get this.